Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Me too, thanks. I'm James. What's your name?
Ma- I'm from Bangladesh.
From where?
Bangladesh.
Oh, cool. Awesome. And tell me about yourself. What do you do for work?
Sorry?
What do you do for work? What's your job?
Oh, actually, um, I'm a businessman. I build a business that is mobile accessories.
Nice. Cool. Where am I from? I'm from Australia.
Australia. That's good. Okay, actually, I'm here very new, and I'd like to learn in English.
Hmm.
So I'm using this app. I feel some of problem when I speak in front of others people that my confidence gradually down.
Yep.
This is the main problem for me. So how can I improve my confidence, or how can I improve my English speaking?
Yeah, it's a big problem for a lot of people. Uh, Practice. Yeah. Do you have a chance to speak English much in your life in Bangladesh?
No, actually, in our country there are no people who speak in English because we are Bengali people. Our mother tongue is Bengali. That's why we uh, some of official language we can use English officially. Otherwise, there are no people who speak
Yeah.
English. That's the main problem because we couldn't get time or couldn't get any opportunity to speak with other people.
So, why do you want to be fluent in English? Do you want to travel or move, or why do you want?
Actually, I would like to use my English only for keep communication with others people. It's not official, it's not for business, but I only would like to use to keep communication with others people. It can be a native speaker, it can be a non-native speaker.
Where would you meet them? Like, do you travel or do they come to Bangladesh? When do you have?
Sorry.
When do you speak in English? Like in the future, when you're fluent, who will you speak to?
Oh, actually, I have. Actually, I would like to talk with others people in social media,
Ah, cool. Yeah.
especially because I always use Facebook, Skype, so I could not chat with others people with confidence. This is the my main problem.
Yep. Yeah. So when you write or read, your English is much better. It's just when you speak, it gets worse because of the confidence. Yeah. I mean, you need to practice. That's the only way to get more comfortable. Because you have to use the vocabulary you have when you speak. That's hard because it's difficult. There's no magical fix.
I know that. I know that I can arrange. I can make sentence structure. I can also use some of special word. But while I try to speak in English long time, that's been 10 or 15 or 30 minutes. That time I made several mistakes. I know, I know, but after making mistake, I
Yeah,
understand
that's
I have
that
made
must be
mistake.
frustrating because it takes concentration, and then after a long
Yeah,
time, the concentration starts to.
concentration is being damaged after long
I'm
time.
with you. It's just because you don't get to practice. Like if you were living in Australia or Canada, then in 2 months you would be speaking with confidence. You know, that's the problem. So let's practice. Tell me about your yeah.
So I got what you are saying, but how may I practice, or how may I get a good partner? Can you suggest
On
me?
Cambly or in the Do you mean?
Yeah, I know that Cambly is one of the best friend for
There's
learner.
a
But on the other hand, Cambly is very
Yeah. Well, there's a
expensive.
free one that I use called Tandem. Do you have Tandem? It's
No,
good.
no.
It's an app, and you meet people around the world, and they'll teach you English, and you can teach them your language, and you can message or do calls. It's like this, but it's free because they want to learn your language, Bengali, and you want to learn English, so you kind of share. You take turns. It's cool. I use it to learn Portuguese. I speak to Brazilian people, so I teach them English and they teach me Portuguese. That could be a good place to find people to talk to for free.
I got it. Thank you for your suggestion.
My pleasure.
But can you tell me something about how may I practice myself? There are any way?
I've never thought about it. Practicing speaking by yourself. I guess no, not really, because you need that. You need the feedback. Like you could you could watch a television show with a conversation, and every time somebody
Yeah,
spoke, you could pause and then reply. That's just my guess, but I think you really need someone to talk to.
that can be a good way
I
for
wish
me.
I could help you more. I don't know.
Actually, sir, did you find out any wrong or any mistake?
Yeah,
What I'm saying?
I'll tell you if you make any mistakes. Oh, like have you made any? Not many. Just small. Not really grammar. Just word choice. Like
What, sir?
yeah, like words that aren't very common, don't really fit. Like you say, for example, after a long time, our concentration gets damaged. It kind
Yeah,
of
yeah, yeah.
works, but it's not what a native person would say. We would say after a while, my concentration decreases, my concentration declines. Yeah, we wouldn't say damage, but that's the main problem, you know, picking words that almost work in context. But the grammar is good.
I got it.